Hello, I'm GabGab. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about my pet. My pet is a cat and she is a girl. Her name is Pepper. It starts with consonant letter P. She's colored gray and her hair is fluffy. She is fat and small.
Will you please repeat it?
Ang alaga ko ay isang pusa. Ang pangalan niya ay Pepper. Siya ay kulay abo. Siya ay banda at mataba. By giving food and drinks. This is the food of Pepper. Oh geez, that is a good cat. This is a lower. This is a machine and this helps me dry my cat.